Our fir- let's we start motion in one dimensional. First, we start position. An object is situated at point O, and three observers from three different places are looking at the same object. Then, all three observers will have different observation about the position of point O, and no one will be wrong because they are observing the object from different position. Observer A says point O is a 3 meter away in a west direction. Observer B says point O is 4 meter away in a south direction. Observer C says point O is 5 meter away in a east direction. Therefore, position of any point is completely expressed by two factors: its distance from the observer and its direction with respect to observer. That is why position is characterized by a vector known as position vector. Consider a point P in a xy plane and its coordinates are x, y. Then position vector R of a point will be xi plus yz, and if the point P is in a space and its coordinate xyz, then position vector can be expressed vector r equals to xi plus yj plus zj. Rest and motion. If body does not change its position as time passes with respect to frame of reference, it is said to be at rest. And if a body changes its position as the time passes with respect to frame of reference, it is said to be a motion. Frame of reference. Frame of reference, it is a system to which a set of coordinates are attached and with reference to which observer described any event. A passenger standing on platform observes that a tree on a platform is at rest, but the same passenger passing away in a train through station observes that tree is in motion. In both conditions, observer is right, but observation are different because in a first situation, observers stand on a platform which is reference frame at rest, and in a second situation, observer is moving in a train which reference frame in a motion. So rest are relative term depending upon choice of frame of reference. Then table 2.1 type of motion. First, one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. One dimensional motion of body in a straight line is called one dimensional motion. When only one coordinate of the position of a body change with the time, then it is said to be moving one dimensionally. Example: first, motion of a car on a straight road. Second, motion of a free falling body. Two dimensional motion of a body in a plane is called two dimensional motion. When two coordinates of the position of a body change with the time, then it is said to be moving two dimensionally. Example: first, motion of a car on a circular turn. Second, motion of a glider ball. Three dimensional motion. Motion of a body in a space is called three dimensional motion. Then when all three coordinate of the position of a body change with the time, then it is said to be moving three dimensionally. Example: motion of flying kite. Second, motion of flying insect. Then particle of a point mass or point object, the smallest part of a matter with zero dimension which can be described by its mass and position, is defined as particle or point mass. If the size of a body is negligible in comparison to its range of motion, then that body is known as a particle. A body in bracket group of particle can be treated as a particle depend upon the type of its motion. For example, in a planetary motion around the sun, the different planets can be presumed to be the particle. In above consideration, then we treat body as a particle at sorry all part of the body undergo same displacement and have same velocity and acceleration.